It's great to have you back on the Bitcoin Bubble channel, so congratulations. All of you are aware of the current time. For the purpose of this discussion, we are going to focus on the name PEPE. It is important to point out that the PEPE group has demonstrated a great deal of affection. As much as I appreciate that, I would like to move straight to today's report so that we can find out what is actually going on with PEPE. To add insult to injury, there is still more to come. All things considered, this was a very happy day for PEPE as well as for the market as a whole. Additionally, Bitcoin is on the verge of surpassing the $100,000 threshold. We checked again just a few hours ago to make sure that the value of Bitcoin remained at $99,000. In a previous statement, we mentioned that the level of 100,000 would serve as a psychological price point. At that level, there will be a significant amount of resistance to overcome. Gentlemen, if we are able to break out of that zone, things have the potential to become quite interesting. But for the time being, it is a fantastic day for the alternative cryptocurrency market as a whole, and PEPE has increased by 9%. You can see that the price is 2066, which indicates that it has returned to being higher than 20. There has been an increase of 8.6% in the value of 2066 in US dollars and 4.2% in the value of Bitcoin, although Ethereum is a little behind. The value of the market is close to $8.07 billion, and approximately $7 billion worth of transactions take place every 24 hours. On the other hand, let's take a closer look at it. However, before I proceed with that, I would like to make it abundantly clear that nothing that is shown on this channel is intended to be construed as financial advice. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, you should proceed with caution and conduct your own research at all times. There are 3,22070 of them according to the number of holders that are current. We are now here, gentlemen. Every day there is an increase in the number of holders. For some time now, we have been having conversations regarding this topic from time to time. The number of holders has been steadily increasing over the course of the past year. Consequently, new holders are purchasing PEPE and putting it in their pockets, which is pretty much in line with this growing trend. Particularly Ethereum wallets such as MetaMask and other Ethereum wallets, which demonstrates that it is increasing. In addition, the number is rapidly increasing. At this moment, however, if you have a look at the larger meme coin market, you will notice that some of the markets are there. The fact is that not all coins are still in the red. At the moment, some are up by more than 10%. It was a piece of good news that Gary Gensler is leaving. You did not misunderstand, gentlemen. Gary Gensler will no longer serve as the chairperson of the SEC as of this moment. This is a significant advance for the cryptocurrency industry. In addition, individuals working in the cryptocurrency field responded to the news. Having said that, PEPE is currently ranked in the top 10 coins in the world. PEPE, the most advanced gainer, is standing right in front of us. There is a 9% increase right now, guys. Indeed, you are able to make stuff up. That being said, let's take a closer look at it. When it comes to the power of Bitcoin, I have already discussed that topic the day before. Remove this from the equation. It is indisputable that the number of individuals who utilize Bitcoin has increased to about 62%. Although the actual amount on the daily period is not really visible, we were quite close to reaching 62% of the total. On the other hand, we witnessed the power going out today, and can you guess what happened in the opposite direction? According to the findings, Bitcoin also increased in value. You may make an educated estimate as to what will happen with the other coins, given that Bitcoin increased in value as control decreased. The growth of other cryptocurrencies is going to be faster than that of Bitcoin. Moreover, you can anticipate that this is precisely what will take place today. Additionally, this serves as a constant reminder to everyone to exercise patience, provided that they have done their research and have only invested money that they are able to afford to lose. If you're on the charts 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you should not be losing sleep. You should not be on the charts. Even if you are unable to sleep due to your excitement, that is perfectly normal. Having said that, if you are unable to sleep due to the fact that you are overly involved, you are the one who is to blame, you are to fault, and this is an opportunity for you to put your training in being cautious to good use. In addition, you should know that the same things that we discussed in the 2 most recent PEPE updates came to pass. However, you should know that we will discuss the price of PEPE later. I want you to have a complete understanding of what Bitcoin is capable of doing. BTC reached a high of $99,000. To this point today, and pretty much throughout the entire week, we have been hitting all-time highs one after the other, which is exactly what we anticipated would happen as we gradually pushed closer and closer to the 6-figure price point. In addition, Bitcoin has increased by 6.27% today, which is not a negligible change at all. To put that into perspective, Pepe, who is an old friend of ours, has a lovely bounce. At the same time, it is about to hit some levels that we are looking forward to. Despite the fact that we were able to reach the 1842 region, we did not attempt to test the 1710 region, which was a significant support level and the previous all-time high. What if, however, it is imperative that you all keep your grip. Moving on to the hourly time period will assist you in gaining a better understanding of it. Take a look at it on an hourly scale, as I mentioned earlier, to get a better idea of how stunning the motion in the sideways direction actually was. Additionally, there is a dollar cost average for only yesterday, but we are not going to be discussing yesterday at this time. Just a few hours ago, not quite 24 hours ago, at the 1850 zone, we're discussing the moment in question. At this moment, Pepe is up almost 14%. At the same time, your Pepe may rise to the 2145 region that can be overcome. There is a possibility that Pepe may rise to all-time highs. In light of the fact that Bitcoin's market share continues to decrease and the price continues to go closer and closer to $100,000, I believe that Pepe will move very soon. If we do not hear any truly positive news about the price of Bitcoin going up, I feel that there will be more than one replay of this phenomenon. The departure of Gary Gangster is itself newsworthy, but there is more. I believe that bulls and bears are going to engage in a fierce battle with one another. However, if Bitcoin is able to surpass that price mark for good, I believe that this would truly push the price of Pepe to new all-time highs of the cryptocurrency. In addition, a great number of individuals who have been fuming over the past few days will be at a loss for adequate words. It is essential that you are aware of this. To all of you, you must not overlook the significant moves. It is something that I have always stated. From the perspective of the new folks, I see things from their point of view. However, you are interested in learning how this market operates, right? From November 4th to today, Pepe has had a significant increase of 211%, which is a significant rise for one of the most popular joke coins in the cryptocurrency market. Again, the 4th of November. And it is quite evident that things have taken a turn for the worse since that time. It is also common for prices to fall after having increased by 211% in the previous period. The price dropped by almost 30% anew. Since then, the market has increased by almost 15%. In addition, I have already mentioned that things have the potential to come to a head for Pepe in a snap. However, monitor the Bitcoin dominance measure to get a better understanding of what is actually taking place. And the pace itself demonstrates once more how interested Pepe is in the situation. For a considerable amount of time, we have not discussed the concept of interest. The confirmation is being provided to you once more in this instance. In a single day, you will see trades that are worth around $6.08 billion. Inquire about the Shiba Inu breed of dog. Approximately 1.4 billion is the total. This is the reason why I adhere to my primary point. According to my estimation, the time is coming closer to where you can see it. When you think about it, the Shiba Inu spot is getting taken over. On the other hand, if the price of Pepe is able to hit an all-time high, I believe that Pepe will replace Shiba Inu as the dominant cryptocurrency for the next all-time high, also known as price discovery mode. That is something that I am absolutely certain about. On the other hand, it is clear that Bonk is also doing rather well in regards to his performance. When it comes to Bitcoins, Mog is actually beginning to make some headway right now. Quite a few people are discussing these meme coins that are based on an artificial intelligence tale, which is not surprising. If you tell me to look at any of them in the comments, however, I don't actually bother to look at any of them. Goat is one of them. As far as I'm aware, they made a significant profit by selling their product at market prices that were absurdly high. Is it possible that now is the time when the stories start? Perhaps, but I'd want to hear your thoughts on the matter in the comments section below. What kinds of meme coins are you familiar with? My primary viewpoint is shared by a significant number of others. Once more, the fact that I believe that to be likely does not indicate that it will actually take place. When we talk about history, we are referring to the topics that we have been discussing throughout the course